The Mamelodi Sundowns ladies have secured their second CAF Women's Champions League title after defeating SC Casablanca 3-0 in the final on Sunday night. Having won the inaugural edition in 2021, Sundowns ladies aimed to reclaim the title and featured four national players in goalkeeper Andile Dlamini, Lebohang Ramalipe, Naxolo Biyana and Melinda Kgatiti. It was a bright start for the South African side, with chances from a couple of set plays before a teasing shot from Boitumelo Rabale sailed over target. Sundowns did get a penalty after 18 minutes played through a suspect handball in the area, and it was left to Refilwe Tolakele to come forward and tuck away to make it 1-0. Casablanca were under more pressure from Masandawana and conceded again as Rabale found a bit of space and fired in a superb long-range strike. Shortly therefore, Sporting Casablanca launched a reply from two swift movements, but the Masandawana goalkeeper Dlamini was alert. It was Sundowns that ended the first half the stronger, where Tolakele looked for a second goal with a decent opening, but dragged her well all over the top. Casablanca enjoyed a lively start in the second half and pushed their South Africans in their own half with a couple of movements of the ball. Dlamini was in a spot of bother in the closing quarter, where she made a rush clearance outside her area straight to Netaji, who snapped wide from an inviting goal. Sundowns made the game safe though, with 12 minutes to go after a ball in behind led to a cutback for Tolakele to dame one challenge and find the net. Two changes from Masandawana in the final minutes saw Lerato Kgasago and Andiswa Mqoyi introduced ahead of Kgatiti and Rabale. The South African side experienced no pressure moments to full time and wrapped up the victory to land their second Champions League title in 3 seasons. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.